Hi guys, in this video we are going to show you the unboxing, the assembly and the review of the Ikea kids furniture set Laett. Here you can see it's the table with these two chairs. The best way to cut this box is here right at the corner at the edge, and then you can nicely open the box. Here is the manual, and you can see you need a screwdriver for this. And let's check if we have all these screws here. Here you can see all the screws, and first we're going to use these wooden parts, 2 of them, and in the first step put them in here. So here we have 2 of these, that's the table. And then we have these 2 pieces, and they're also for the table, I think. And then you have 4 of these smaller ones. I think they're for the chairs, so you see the size difference. So let's start with the table. So you have to put it in here, in this hole. Here is this in the picture. And on this side here. So then we take one of these. Here we take this part. So this is aligned with this. And the other side. And then we take 2 of these and put them in the holes. And we have to put the hole of these metal pieces in the direction of the screw. Here the screw will come through. So let me show you. So the screw comes here from the back through here. And before we do that, we put this metal part in here. This in the direction of the screw. You hold it in place with a screwdriver here, and on the other side you screw this one in. It's actually easier with a finger here. At the end you take this part and you pull it nice and tight, and you repeat the same thing on the other ends of the table and with the chairs. Here we have done the same thing on this corner on the other side, so on both sides the screws we have put in. And now let's turn it sideways and slide the top table plate into this. Make sure that the white part of the table plate faces upwards, so let's do that. So the white part at the top. Step 5, we take these wooden pieces and put them in here, in this hole. And in this one. And then we take this part and put it on top. Step 6, we add the same screws again in these holes. This goes in here in direction of the screw where it comes through. And then we do the same here in this hole again, this in direction where the screw comes through. And we sort of hold it with a screwdriver here so it stays in position, and put the screw through. So the table is ready. Here you can see the table, good size. So now we have the chairs, we do the same thing. We put the wooden piece in here. Here's the other chair, put it in here. And the other two wooden pieces we put in this part. Put one in here and one in here. And on this side. Next we take just this part. We take this. And we put this piece, there's the hole where the wood piece goes in the other side, in there. So this needs to be aligned with this. Here and here. So we put it in here. And we take the other side here. Make sure it's aligned again. And here. Then we take these two screws and do the same as with the table. Put one here. And you see this screw comes in here, comes through. So the hole has to be in this direction. And the same thing we do here. Then we take the seat of the chair and we slide it in here. Then we take the back of the chair and slide it in here. And we do the same thing with the screws. So here's the first chair. Make sure it's all fixed here. Yeah, it's a cute little chair. Good for children, not for adults. Here you can see the second chair. I put that together here in fast forward mode. So here's the final product. There are no sharp corners. Seems nice and smooth. So that's quite nice. It's quite good for kids because it's very light and it doesn't take much space. This is quite thin. And this. So you need to be careful what you put on there. Obviously it's for children. Yeah, it's a good price. Looks very nice and it doesn't take much space.